Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of DMs lately in regards to what lip sutures are. So lip sutures are actually this little guy right here. So they help define the lip borders and help smooth out fine lines. It's a great cherry on top of the cake to lip fillers. So the science behind it is that it stimulates collagen and really gives you that nice definition in the border of the lip. Some people do need more than one session to get to where they want to be. Usually I'd say about 2 to 3. But yeah, it's fairly painless. We do numb you.
PDO threads are a special medical grade thread that is thinner than hair. We're going to be showing you how lip sutures are done. And it's numbing time. We're using a topical medical grade numbing cream on my lips. This treatment is going to be done by Nurse Harzine. So here Nurse Harzine is cleaning the area on my lips, and we're inserting a pilot needle, which will be the entry point for the lip thread. The lip thread now is advancing in via a cannula. Check out my before and after I took myself. And now Nurse Harzine is inserting the second lip thread along my vermilion border. In terms of discomfort, this is actually pretty comfortable. The numbing was pretty effective. Results are expected to last anywhere between 4 to 6 months. The sutures break down over time through a process called hydrolysis through the chemical reaction with water. While you will see swelling right away, your full results will not be until 6 weeks or greater post-procedure, so please be patient. Also, if you have any questions in regards to lip sutures or other services you want us to showcase, please DM us below. So Nurse Harzine did my lip sutures. As you can see, there's minimal swelling. There's no bruising. I am a little bit numb still. The procedure took,
Not even 10 minutes, honestly. It was so quick. But did it feel okay? Was it painful at all?
It felt really comfortable. Yeah, I like the cannula technique for it because I didn't feel any sharp objects advancing in the border of the lip. It feels a little stiff, a little sore still, but I really love it. And I don't mind the swelling either.
Everyone loves the swelling. So you can expect for the collagen stimulate over the next 6 weeks. If you feel like you want a little more definition, especially around the borders and softening of those fine lines, you can always come back. Like I said, maybe 2 to 3 sessions you can expect if you wanted a little more definition.
Awesome. I look forward to more sessions.
And just message us anytime if you guys have any questions at all.
Okay, thanks guys. I'll see you later.
Bye.